Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing the new Holly Jolly Christmas kit from 𝚸𝚗𝓃 Nails, and baby, I am so excited. So this collection includes 6 pretty colors, y'all. I love them. So this kit is priced at $89.99, but right now it's 50% off, so you get it for $44.99. $44.99, and they have the option of like letting you choose if you want the whole kit or just the powder. So I actually went ahead and swatched all the colors. If you would like to see a video of how to swatch and how to apply your dip powders, I will have that linked in the card, so you can click on that and check that out. So the first color was Sleigh Bells. This one is Loving Understanding. This is my favorite one. She is gorgeous. Like, Sleigh Bells is really cute too. Well, all of them are really pretty. Like, oh my goodness, 𝒃𝒃. She cute. Reminds me of like a lit up Christmas tree. Oh my god, so pretty. And then we have Spring Goddess, which is freaking gorgeous. Like, gorgeous, honey. Flying Butterfly. I love this one too, but then like when I turn it over, like you can really see, like, look at that. Oh my goodness. His Queen. That's one of my favorites too. They're all my favorites because they're so sparkly. Like, I did not like sparkle like that, but like sparkle is it. Like, this is really pretty. So pretty. I actually decided to use these powders with my monomer because they do work with monomer as well. But if you would like to see me use them as a regular dip system, I will have that linked in the card, so you can check that out. I really didn't know what I wanted to do with this set, so I kind of just freestyled and it turned out how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoy. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment box below and I will respond to you, honey. I will respond to you. So I hope you guys have a blessed holiday season. I will be back with another video very soon, and I think you guys will like that one. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I'll pop back in later on, maybe.
I'm barely breathing, trapped in this feeling. I wake up screaming your name, but I'm only dreaming. Vision is fading. I don't know why. I'm trying to try to tell myself what I should know. You run away, what you say, but I simply can't let you go. Can't let you go. maybe I was wrong. Even once wasn't anything. Yeah, I could say that you didn't need any part of me. Yeah, maybe it's not me. You should be the one on your knees. So if we had another chance, I would never let you steal my cause I can't see you anywhere. Cause I don't wanna know, I swear I should go, no, I don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go, cause you know I won't stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know where to go. I wanna find you. Something
this is the finished look. I think they came out pretty cute. I do see some things that I would change next time. Like I tried to use like a milky white on the pinky so you can see it's like a little frosted up in there, but other than that, I love them. The shape is it for me, like that crispness on the edge. Oh my goodness, I love it. They're so freaking cute. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will be back soon with another video for you guys. I hope you guys have a safe, blessed, and happy holiday season.